Today I will start chapter 3, pair of linear equation in two variables, optional exercise 3.7. Question 1. I read the question. The ages of two friends, Ani and Biju, differ by 3 years. The ages of two friends, Ani and Biju, differ by 3 years. Let Ani age be X years and Biju age be Y years. According to question, the ages will differ by X minus Y is equal to 3, or you can write Y minus X is equal to 3. Both are correct. I will take this. Difference of these two ages be 3 years. Now, Ani's father Dharma is twice old as Ani. So Dharma's age be twice X years. It is twice old as Ani. And Biju's is twice old. Biju's is twice old as his sister Kethi. Biju कितना बड़ा है अपनी sister से? 2 times. So it is already 2 times. So Kethi's age be Y by 2 years. Now, according to question, the ages of Kethi and Dharma differ by 30 years. So Dharma is big. So the difference of these two ages, according to question, the difference of these two ages be 30 years. Now we find the value of X and Y. This is 1. This is, now solve it. Take LCM 2. It is 4x minus y is equal to 60. This is second equation. See here, x minus y is equal to 3. This is first equation. Signs are same. You can subtract it. Minus, plus, minus. Now you can see that this is cancel out. This is 3x is equal to 57. This will cut with 3. It is 19. So x is equal to 19 years. Put in 1. We get, इसमें रख दीजिए x. So 19 minus y is equal to 3. This implies y is equal to, y को उधर ले जाइए, 19 को उधर ले जाइए, 19 minus 3. This implies y is equal to 16. So x is 19 years and Biju is 16 years. And from this you can calculate another set. After this you can use this relation y minus x. Okay. Question 2. One says, give me 100, friend, I shall become twice as rich as you. The other replies, if you give me 10, I shall be 6 times as rich as you. Tell me what is the amount initially. Let two friends you can take. Let A, two friends. पहला friend ले लिया A. Let A be rupees X and B be rupees Y. According to question, give me 100. A ने कितना मांगा? 100 मांगा. तो A के पास कितना हो गया? 100 rupees and B ने दिए, so minus 100. Then I shall become twice rich. If we got 100 rupees, he will be twice rich. So we will equate the equation we multiplied here. Now another set, other replies, if you give me 10, Y ने मांगे 10. So Y becomes 10 लिया, इसने दिए. So I shall 6 times as rich as you. ये कितना rich हो गया? 6 times. So when you equate, you multiply by here. It is already 6 times, so it is. Now you can find the equation. X plus 100 is equal to 2y minus 200. It means x minus 2y plus 300 is equal to 0. This is equation 1. Now from this set, 6x minus 60 is equal to y plus 10. So 6x minus 60 is equal to y plus 10. 6x minus y minus 70 is equal to 0. This is equation 2. Now see that if you multiply this equation by 2, equation 2 multiply, then the variable of y, then the coefficient of the variable of y is same. So multiply equation 2 and 1 write as it is. 1 write as it is. X minus 2y plus 300 is equal to 0. If you multiply by 2, it is 12x minus 2y minus 140 is equal to 0. Now see, the signs are same, so we will subtract it. Subtract minus plus plus. So it becomes, this will cut, this is minus 11x and this is 044 plus 440 is equal to 0. 11x is equal to 440, x is equal to 40. Now put in 1, we get 1 में रख दीजिए. What is 1? This is 1. If I put x is equal to 40, it becomes 40 minus 2y plus 300 is equal to 0. So this implies 40 plus 3. 340 is equal to 2y and this will cut to 1, that y is equal to 170. This is y and this is x. So x is rupees 40 and y is rupees 170. Question number 3. A train covered a distance at a uniform speed. If train would have been 10 km faster, it would have taken 2 hours less than the scheduled time. If the train was slower 10 km, it would have taken 3 hours more than the scheduled time. Find the distance covered by the train. So distance covered by the train, you have to find it. You have to calculate distance, okay, covered by the train. Let the speed of train be x kilometer per hour and speed of train be x kilometer hour and time to cover that distance. We don't know what is the distance, so time taken is yr. So distance is equal to speed into time. So distance is equal to speed into time. Distance is equal to speed into time. Speed is x and time is y. So distance is equal to xy. So according to question, how much distance covered by the train? This much distance covered by the train. Now if train would have 10 km faster, now speed is 10 km faster. अगर speed 10 km बढ़ा दें, then how much time will reduce? 2 hours will reduce. Distance तो उतना ही रहेगा x y. Now second set, if the train is slower, अगर 10 km slower हो जाती है train, then speed less हो गई and it would increase the time 3 more hours. तो 3 घंटे ज्यादा लगेंगे और distance तो उतना ही कवर करना है जितना है. Now we can solve these two equations. Speed बढ़ गई, time कम हुआ, लेकिन distance तो उतना ही रहेगा. Speed कम कर दी, time ज्यादा लगा, लेकिन दूरी तो उतनी जानी. Original distance अपने पास क्या है? xy. Now solve it. xy plus minus 2x x into y, xy minus 2x plus 10y minus 20 is equal to 0. Now is equal to xy. Now xy cancel out. It is minus 2x plus 10y minus 20 is equal to 0. Now divide full equation को 2 से divide कर दीजिए. Minus x plus 5y minus 10 is equal to 0. This is our equation 1. Now solve this. xy plus 3x minus 10y minus 30 is equal to 0. Not 0, this side is xy. Now xy cancel out. It is 3x minus 10y minus 30 is equal to 0 is 2. Now you can see that if I this is 5, if you multiply 2 it is equate, if you multiply by 3 it is equate. So if I multiplied equation 1 by 3, if you multiplied equation 1 by 3 you will get, अगर इक्वेशन 1 को 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो क्या आएगा, माइनस 3x प्लस 15y माइनस 30 इज इक्वल टू 0. 3x माइनस 10y माइनस 30 is equal to 0. Now you see that the signs are same. जब साइन सेम होते हैं तो भी क्या करते हैं, add the equation, add कर दीजिए. It is plus 15 minus 10, 5y minus 60 is equal to 0. So 5y is equal to 60. This will cut 12. Y is equal to 12. Put in 1. Put in 1 में रख दीजिए. This is our first equation. इसमें y रखिए इधर. So minus x plus 5 into 12 minus 10 is equal to 0. So minus x plus 60 minus 10 is equal to 0. So x minus x plus 50 is equal to 0. So this implies x is equal to 50. Now what is the distance? X is 50 and y is 12. It is 600 kilometer is the distance. Question 4. The students of class are made to stand in a row. This are row. If 3 students are extra in a row, there would be 1 row less. It is same of question number 3rd. If 3 students are less in a row, there would be 2 rows more. Find the number of students. If the students are standing in row and this is the row, how will you calculate the number of rows? Let number of students into row. So let the number of students be x and number of rows be y. So number of students कैसे निकालेंगे? This is number of students, this is number of rows. So total number of students be x into y. Now according to question, if 3 students are extra in a row, students क्या है x, अगर 3 ज्यादा हैं तो x plus 3 and there would be 1 row less. So total students तो इतने ही रहेंगे xy. टोटल स्टूडेंट्स में तो कोई चेंज नहीं होगा. ओके, ओनली स्टैंडिंग पोजीशन में चेंज होगा. एंड there would be 1 row less if 3 students are less. अगर स्टूडेंट 3 less हैं then there would be 2 rows more. वो rows को बढ़ा दो तो number of students तो क्या रहेंगे, xy रहेंगे. Number of students is equal to xy. Now we will calculate number of students. First we calculate x and y. So multiply this. xy minus x plus 3y minus 3 is equal to 0. Now is equal to xy. This xy cancel out. Minus x plus 3y minus 3 is equal to 0. This is our equation 1. Now solve this. xy plus 2x minus 3y minus 6 is equal to xy. Habit हो गया switchable. This is cut. Now the equation is 2x minus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0. Now if I divide this equation by 2, I will get x minus, no, it is not divisible. So it is equation number 2. Now see, this is equation 2 and this is equation 1. So if I multiply one equation by 2, one को किससे multiply कर दीजिए 2 से and rewrite again here, you will get minus 2x plus 6y minus 6 is equal to 0. 2x rewrite as it is, second equation को आप ऐसे ही लिख दीजिए 2x minus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0. If you add, you will get, this is cancelled out, this is 3y minus 12 is equal to 0 and 3y is equal to 12. So y is equal to 4. Put in 1 में रखिए, where is 1? Here it is 1. Put it here, y की जगह आप क्या रखेंगे 4. So minus x plus 3 into 4 minus 3 is equal to 0. So you will get minus x plus 12 minus 3 is equal to 0. This is minus x plus 9 is equal to, this implies x is equal to 9. So x is equal to 9, number of students 9, number of rows 4. So total is 9 into 4 is equal to 36 students. Question number 7 and second part. Ax plus by minus c is equal to 0. You can write bx plus ay minus 1 minus c is equal to 0. Now I will use cross multiplication method in this type of questions. X, y and 1. Now see here, if I find a hide this cross multiplication b into minus 1 minus c, formula का minus this into this and minus a into this, so it is minus ac, minus ac. Now hide this minus c into b, minus bc minus, now multiply this minus a minus multiplied a minus 1 minus c. Now hide this a into a square minus b square. Now simplify it, minus b minus bc plus ac minus bc. Now it is minus a or minus 1 plus a. Now it is plus ac minus into minus, minus minus plus, and it is plus ac is equal to 1 upon a square minus b square. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3. Equate 1 and 3. Now x is equal to, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, इधर से आप कॉमन ले लीजिए c माइनस c कॉमन लिया तो इट बिकम्स माइनस c कॉमन ले लीजिए प्लस c, इट बिकम्स a माइनस b is equal to 1 upon a square minus b square. So x is equal to minus b plus c a minus b upon a square minus b square. This is x. Now equate 2 and 3. We get now y upon, now इसमें से और इसमें से क्या कॉमन ले लीजिए, minus b you take common, if it is you take c common, you take c common, it is c common लिया तो क्या बचा a minus b plus a is equal to 1 upon a square minus b square, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर दीजिए c a minus b plus a upon This is the answer. Question 7, fourth part. Question 7, fourth part. A minus b x plus a plus b y, turn to the left hand side, it is minus a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to 0, and second equation is a plus b bracket x plus y is equal to a square plus b square. You can rewrite it a plus b into x plus a plus b into y minus a square minus b square. This is second equation. Now I can rub this. Now I will use cross multiplication method. X upon, hide this, multiply these two, and this minus take out common, so it is a plus b and a square plus b square. Now multiply this with minus sign, minus a plus b bracket minus a square 2ab plus b square. Now y upon, hide this, hide y, see minus this into this, minus a square plus 2ab plus b square minus a plus b, minus this into minus a minus this into this bracket into this a plus b. Now minus this, minus common, so it is plus a square plus b square minus common multiplied by a minus b. Take out minus common and formula minus plus a square plus b square and multiplied by a minus b. Now constant 1 upon, hide this. Now multiply this, a minus b, a plus b, it is a square minus b square, a plus b, a minus b, and minus a plus b whole square. Now simplify it. Now simplify x upon, multiply x, take a plus b common, a plus b common. So another bracket inside, sign will change, minus a square minus b square, or minus minus plus a square minus 2ab, outside bracket is minus, so minus b square. Here you can see that this is cancelled out, these two. Now y upon, multiply this, minus a cube plus 2a square b plus ab square, now with b, minus a square b minus a square b and plus 2ab square and plus b cube plus b cube plus b cube. Now with this, now I take this, so a square multiplied by a plus a cube minus a square b and plus b square a and minus b cube. Now you can see here a cube cancelled out, b cube cancelled out. Now ab square and ab 2ab square and ab square. So this and this is 2ab square plus k, and this is minus and this is plus ab square and plus ab square. So it is 4ab square, 2a square b minus a square b and minus. See here, this and this minus minus is plus, minus 2a square b हो गया, ये दोनों मिलके इससे कट गए. Now constant term 1 upon a square minus b square, use identity a plus b whole square minus a square minus b square minus 2ab. Here you can see that this is cancelled out. A square and a square is cancelled out. A square and a square is cancelled out. Now you can now equate, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, equate 1 and 2. Equate 1 and 3 we get. So x upon a plus b. Now what is remaining here? Minus 2b square, minus 2b square minus 2ab. Minus 2ab is equal to 1 upon minus 2b square, minus 2b square minus 2ab. This, you see that this bracket and this bracket is cancelled out, and x you will get by cross multiplication a plus b. A plus b. Now I will equate y. Now I will equate y. This is 2. So in this, what is remaining in y? Equate 2 and 3. Y upon, see here, this is cancelled out, only this circle and 2. 4ab square is left. 4ab square is left is equal to 1 upon, take out minus b common, it is minus b common, it is a plus b, this 1b cancel out, and this 1b cancel out, and it is minus b is it minus 2b हो जाएगा, ये minus 2b हो जाएगा, ये 2 से 2 cancel out, it is ये 2b स्क्वायर हो जाएगा, और ये 2 minus 2b कॉमन ले लिया, तो ये हो गया 2ab upon a plus b. This is the solution. Question 7, fifth part. 152x minus 378y is equal to minus 74 minus 378x plus 152y is equal to minus 604. Now in this type of questions, what you do, you add 1 to equation first. First we add these two equations, add 1 and 2, we get, add कीजिए minus, now add plus minus is minus and sign is minus, so 6 to 2 x plus minus because minus is greater, 6 to 2y, and if you add it, it will be plus 8, 7 and 6, sign is minus. So divide full equation by 226, minus के 226 से डिवाइड कीजिए, x plus y, 226 को 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो आ जाएगा 3, 226 into 3 is 678, so it is equation third. Now subtract 1 and 2, अब subtract कीजिए, subtract 1 and 2, 152x minus 378y minus 74 minus 378x plus 152y minus 604. If you subtract, change the sign of second equation. Change the sign of second equation, it will be plus 530x 10 3 5 minus 530y is equal to, it become also plus minus is minus 0, 10 minus 7 is 3 and 1 remainder is 530. Divide by 530, x minus y is equal to 1. This is equation 4. Now solve 3 and 4. So you write third equation, x plus y is equal to 3, x minus y is equal to 1. Now add it. This is cancelled. 2x is equal to 4, x is equal to 2. Put in 3. This is 3. This is 3. Put x here. 2 plus y is equal to 3, y is equal to 1. This is the